If your laundry detergent has one of these 4 cancer-linked ingredients, stop using it. We all know that both a healthy diet and exercise are extremely important to our overall health. But it's also very important to take a broader look at our overall lifestyle to see what additional, more natural alterations can be made to achieve a healthier life. Many household or beauty products are often highly overlooked when it comes to living a clean or green lifestyle, as we tend to prioritize eating healthier foods instead. The real and ugly truth is that all laundry detergents are derived from harsh petrochemicals and are scented using synthetic fragrances, which can lead to sensitivities including allergic reactions. And I really think that you'll be shocked when we tell you that some ingredients are even known carcinogens. Laundry manufacturing companies are not required to list all of their ingredients on product labels. Therefore, products listing vague terms such as fragrance may in actuality culminate to an entire concoction of chemicals that we're not even aware of. 4 harmful chemicals in laundry detergent. Dyes. This harmful chemical has no real practical use in laundry detergents, essentially. Yes, you got that right, it has absolutely no effect on a laundry detergent's cleaning capabilities. Its role is purely for aesthetic purposes and often in conventional brands. If it's not from a non-toxic laundry detergent brand, try avoiding products with dyes. Optical Brightness. This is another ingredient that doesn't have any practical use. Optical brightness causes more blue light reflection, causing brighter whites. And one last thing, they're often not biodegradable. Fragrances. And unfortunately, these fragrances can cause many sensitivities like severe headaches, so go either fragrance free or try looking for brands that are scented utilizing natural compounds like botanicals or essential oils. Diethanolamine. First of all, you should know that this harmful compound is derived from ammonia and ethylene oxide and is a common ingredient in conventional laundry detergents. This compound can cause potential irritation to both the skin and eyes, and it has been linked to developmental and reproductive toxicity in animal studies. 3 clean, green natural laundry detergents. You should always look for detergents that are fragrance and dye free, or you can try these 3 natural detergent alternatives. Natural Laundry Detergent 1 7th Generation. This all-natural, cruelty-free laundry detergent line comes in a variety of beautiful scents, from blue eucalyptus and lavender to fresh citrus, no synthetic fragrances. The manufacturers are using plant-based essential oils and botanical extracts, and they also have fragrance-free products too. Note, a good majority of their packagings are created using 100% post-consumer recycled bottles, which has helped to save a whopping 1.1 million trees and 2.9 million cubic feet of landfill space. Natural Laundry Detergent 2 Nature Clean. Nature Clean carries a vast selection of natural, eco-friendly household cleaning products, including their automatic dishwasher packs, which are unscented, hypoallergenic and contain absolutely 0 animal ingredients. Natural Laundry Detergent 3 BioVert. BioVert is another green, clean laundry detergent machine. You should know that all BioVert products are either certified or in the process of being certified.